this is Mixopolis, Chanoble. Day 24 of halfway to Halloween reaction videos was supposed to have Hydent, Fafety Sirst and Lassder reacting to the SML video Jeffy posted viral on. Of course, we only pull fire alarms whenever if there's an emergency. If something happens and someone gets sick or hurt. But remember, we only pull the fire alarm if there's ever a real fire. So if there's fire, that's where you pull the fire alarm. Pulling the fire alarm as a joke